Hi, it's Miss Short, and I'm here to focus today on an Earth and space concept. We're going to be looking at just how different the Earth is in relation to the Sun as far as their size. So I have some calculations that I have written on my board here. First, we have the Earth's diameter, and the diameter of a circle or a sphere is the distance across from one side to the other through the center. So just as I'm talking about diameter, that's what that means. The Earth's diameter is 7,917.5 miles. The Sun's diameter is 865,370 miles in diameter. What does that mean to us? How big a difference is that really? Because sometimes looking at the numbers doesn't really do that for us. We can obviously see the Earth is much smaller in diameter than the Sun. So what we did is we figured out just what that ratio by taking the Sun's diameter and dividing it by the Earth's diameter. We find that there are 109.3 Earth diameters in the diameter of the Sun. So today we're going to make a model that demonstrates this ratio. And here we go.
Get it.
Cut.
Get it.
So we're going to start with a poster board, and we're going to measure across the smallest distance across. So we're going to go from here to here to see how much we have to work with. Start with the tape measure on the very edge, come all the way across, 56 centimeters. It's easier to use, easier to convert our metric units, so we're going to use centimeters instead of inches. We should be able to make a circle that is 56 centimeters in diameter, and then we'll show you how big the Earth would be in comparison. 109.3 times smaller.
Oh, yeah.
So this is my Sun that is 56 centimeters across in diameter, going through the center and all the way from edge to edge. And if this is a 56 centimeter Sun, to be 109 times smaller, you would have to have an Earth represented by about a half centimeter. So that repeated 109.3 times across, all the way across your Sun. The Earth is quite a bit smaller than the Sun. Now in class we did talk about the Sun's size, and we did mention how the Sun is actually not the largest star. In fact, it is only an average sized star. So to further this investigation and extend it just a little bit more, we wanted to show you today a comparison of the size of the Sun, our star, our nearest star, compared to a larger star. So let's do it.
Wait, no, it just started.
For the final comparison, we're going to look at, here's my Sun. The Sun is actually a medium-sized star. There are stars that are smaller than it. However, I have a representation of a star that would be about 4 times larger than our Sun. And to put that into comparison, a red giant star could be 1,000 times larger. So even at 4 times larger, you're going to see quite a bit of a difference. And think about 1,000 times larger as we show you this. Okay, shake. All right. Are you recording me?
Yeah. I'm just gonna have to edit that part out. Hi, Shay. Hi, do you like
Again,
me in this video?
this star would be nowhere near as large as a red giant, but it is about 4 times larger than the Sun. Earth? What's in my pocket? Good?
Yeah.